like Abalawanga. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And now, who is coming? Okay, thank you. Oh, Moses Kuria. Okay. Okay, I thank you very much. Let the Nini take over.
Thank you, Dr. Buru. Na karibu sana Waziri Moses Kuria. That's why you are here in commotion. Can you just bring him forward slowly? Let me also recognize Governor Wanga. Let me also recognize Mama County Ruth Odinga, who was not present when the family was introduced. And as Okay, I'll give Dr. Buru, as I told you, is the leader of the family. He'll invite the rest of the family.
Now, I would like to take this opportunity to invite my sister, Dr. Akinyiwenwa, to come and speak on behalf of all the female gender in our family.
Hello? Buru is taller than me.